Hello, my name is Stephanie Mott, and this is my research poster on the dangers of stereotypes. To come to this narrowed topic, I began with the broader question of what are the dangers of stereotypes in young adult literature? From there, I decided to focus on the negative stereotypes that could be found in cultural competency skill development, body image, sexual orientation, and gender. Moving forward with this narrowed top idea, I utilized the UB Library's online databases of JSTOR, Library Information Science and Technology Abstracts with full text, Library Literature and Information Science, and Education Source, using the search terms of teens, young adults, boys, girls, and stereotypes. The results of this research revealed that the dangerous powers of stereotypes lies in their ability to unconsciously guide the way we interact with one another and ourselves within society. The dangers of stereotypes to cultural competency skill development is in the negative image they represent of diverse cultures and race. We see this in how the media represents African American males as criminals and predators, and Latinos as low achievers, high school dropouts, teen parents, or violent gang members. This is not an accurate representation of these cultures and will affect how young adults will willingly initiate contact with peers of these cultures, which limits their cultural competency skill development as they have minimal contact and personal experience with these diverse cultures. Body image stereotypes can be very dangerous to young adults as they place the idea in their minds that they should be this specific image to fit in, and if they are not, then they can try to get this most likely unhealthy body image or develop poor self-esteem. We see this mostly in females. Sexual orientation stereotypes can be harmful to young adults as they can feel pressured into acting a particular role with a stereotype. An example is the stereotype that if a guy is gay, he must be interested in shopping and talking of boys. This is not accurate and can confuse the young adults on what being gay, lesbian, bisexual, straight, or transgender affects their role in society. Gender-specific stereotypes in young adult literature seems to be evolving from being negative. Some examples are boys being stereotyped as strong, aggressive, and girls being stereotyped as dependent, emotionally unstable, and helpless, which aren't really allowing young adults to explore their interest, to where they are now more positively stereotyped as boys, for example, can be caring and willing to share the emotions, and girls can be strong, independent. These new developing stereotypes appear more positive for young adults as they demonstrate new ways that genders can participate in society. Boys can be strong while showing it is all right to be emotional. Girls can act strong and independent while also being kind and feminine. Ways to negate the power of negative stereotypes on young adults can be to 1. If the stereotype is sensitive to people, culture, or a particular subject, choose carefully which words are used to conduct discourse on a specific stereotype. 2. Before initiating an activity or reading a piece of literature with harmful stereotypes, conduct a discussion on stereotypes and labels. And 3, have young adults and children discuss past instances where they were negatively affected due to a stereotype. All 3 methods bring to light or inform young adults that these stereotypes are in the literature, that they may carry over into their reality when in social interactions. My conclusions of this research is that there are negative stereotypes in young adults and children's literature that, if left unchecked, can be incredibly harmful. Though by addressing and utilizing methods, we can counteract the amount of damage these dangerous stereotypes can cause to our young adults and children patrons, so that they can interact and feel safe in our libraries.